Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, I know you must be wondering why I'm not posting or not posting very often, but the truth to the story is that, what did you say, Malika? Come here, come say good night. Come and say hello.
Hello.
Say hello, good night.
Hello.
Say hello. And
Hello.
guys, he's getting super smart and brilliant and his mouth pasty. So anyways guys, so alright. This boy gonna do that all night. I found out that I am pregnant. Wasn't happy about the whole situation, guys, so kind of wear me down for a while, but then just have to accept the fact that it is there and it's a blessing and it's there for a reason. So yeah guys, that's the reason why I was posting. And then I still work 6 days per week. So work 6 days per week. So only have Sunday day off. And I'm always busy on Sundays. So that's my main reason why I'm not posting. I wasn't posting. And I'm currently at 22 weeks. Yeah guys. Like 22 weeks. I'm not far away. So I have like 3 months to go. 3 months, couple weeks to go. And it's gonna be a December baby. So I'm gonna be having 2 December baby. And guys, this next thing, my due date is on Ronaldo's birthday. Then again, next thing, the gender, I won't be telling you guys the gender yet. Next video I'll be releasing the gender, so stay tuned for that. And as you guys know, I have 3 boys, so I hope maybe it's a girl, and maybe I'll be doing a baby shower. Not sure, thinking about it, but it's a lot of pressure also in doing that, because you know it's gonna be up and down and tackling and the cooking and all of that and the planning and all of that. So I'm not sure what I'll be doing as yet. Hey guys, so actually dealing with back to school at the moment. I'm almost through. Well, I'm done with Ronaldo. Doing Malachi stuff in a few days. Because guys, I'll be changing Malachi's school. So you will be seeing him September morning in a different uniform. Guys, we turn off the fan. I'm hot. Like super hot. Yeah guys, and maybe persons maybe asking, she's pregnant. I never saw her posting anybody. But yes, I wasn't single. I just don't post everything on the media. So I wasn't single, and yes, the father is in my life, and well, most of the time people see me posting Malachi alone earlier. Basically, I am not single. So you guys may be wondering, she's pregnant. I never see she posted a boyfriend before, or a fiance or a husband, and no, I'm not married. So guys, I'm basically home doing some laundry at the moment.
Baby.
Ouch! Malachi man, you just rough. You don't know for approach. You don't have no approach. Say hello.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm doing.
Guys, this is my Spanish child. Is that cute? Say I'm fine, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, so basically I'm kind of tired though I'm chilling and washing and cooking at the moment. So that's that for now guys. That is that for now. I think I have a slight headache though. Yeah, see the nose. When I see the nose, the nose getting bigger, huger. That is not even funny. But yes, my nose swell. That's the first sign my nose start show. Yeah. Show in my belly last. But basically it is showing. So in a few days I'll be showing you how I'm looking. OMG. Guys, this is my entertainer. He is my entertainer. He's always entertaining. And you guys like ice. I always have ice. I have them tonight because I have a slight headache, so I'm not really eat nothing cold or drink nothing cold. But even when I'm at work, I always like this hot, sweaty. I'm staying at the AC all day. Put down the remote. Yeah, guys, so I always have a buckle of ice at my desk. Chill. I always have a buckle of ice at my desk because I always have to have the ice at you in order to cool down. My body is on fire. I always have fun. I always have, like, you guys, and look at my ear again. I did my hair. Yes, guys, I did my hair. My good hair just to fly it up. I'm first work tonight when I tell you guys. I need to get a certificate tonight because here. And I think I'll be doing something different after I have my child. I'm not going back to security. I don't think so.
Me chuck.
I need something else to do. So guys, bless up on yourself. Stay tuned. I'll show some more love. What are you doing? What are you doing?
We're doing.
Say hi, everybody.
Hello, buddy.
Say hi, everybody. Show them your truck. Say that's my truck. This is my truck.
My truck.
This is my truck.
My
Guys, he's gonna show you everything. This is him. Yes. Guys, don't forget to tell a friend, to tell a friend, that invite a friend over. So guys, tell me if you think we should have a baby shower or just a photo shoot, and who's interested in being the godmother or godfather, you guys can hook me up. So yes, the spot is open for a godmother or godfather. So you guys can tell me who wants to be the godmother or the godfather. And the next video, guys, I'm gonna tell you the gender. As I tell you before, if it's a girl or it's a boy. Because you know I'm a boy mom, right? I'm a producer of boys. All boys, all boys. All boys. Give me what? What do you want? You want a truck? You want another truck? You want another truck? No, you don't want another truck. That one is yours. So guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend. Peace out. Love you. Bye. You wanna come and say bye? Say bye. Say bye. Where are you going? Say bye. Say love you. Yeah, I tried to kiss. Bye guys.
Mommy.